welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for deciding to join me. In today's video, we are doing our PR haul. I do these every single Friday here on my channel where I save up all my packages from the week and then we open them together so we can see new makeup releases that are coming out. We can chat about them in the comment section. I always love when you guys let me know what products you're most interested in so I can do like dedicated videos on any of these. So that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. If you guys are new to my channel, I do upload Monday through Friday. Make sure you subscribe down below so you do not miss out, and let's go ahead and get started. This week came over from Benefit and they hooked me up with brow products, you guys. There's so many brow products in here. So they are actually launching new shades of their Gimme Brow as well as their Ka-Brow, My Sicely My Brow Pencil, and the Goof Proof. So they are now going to have half color set. I don't want to say like half sizes, that doesn't make sense, but they are going to have half shades. So typically they have like the 1, the 3, and then now they're gonna have like a 3.5 and a 4.5 and so on. So it's really cool that they're adding kind of like those in-between shades to make sure that everyone does have a brow shade that will match them. So we have in here some Precisely My Brow Pencils. I have a shade 2 and a 3.5. I think there is another one in here as well. Yes, so this one is a 4.5. And then I have a bunch of the Ka-Brows as well. So I have a 4.5, a 3.5, and then a 2 in the Ka-Brow, which is one of my favorites. And then we also have some Goof-Proof brows. Oh my gosh, I can't even hold these all. We have some Goof-Proof brows as well, the same shades in that. And then lastly, we have some Gimme Brows. So we have 4 shades of the Gimme Brow in here. So we have a 2, a 4, a 3.5, and a 4.5. So lots of brow products. This is awesome. I love it when they hook me up because I feel like I never ever run low. They always restock me right when I'm running out. I just started a new Precisely, but I run out of those so fast. So this is awesome to have. Thank you to the team at Benefit for sending these over to me. So the next box I want to get into actually came over from Jessica Simpson's new line. This is called Beauty Fiend. If you guys have not checked out my review, I actually did already put these up. I snuck in, looked at them, and I reviewed these already. They are up on my channel now. But this is her brand new brush collection. She did come out with, I believe there was 16 brushes collections in total. I'll have them linked down below for you guys. But these are new brushes from her. I'm not going to go too much into detail on them because I do have a full review on these, but they definitely are very soft and nice brushes. I had kind of mixed opinion on these, so if you guys want to check out that review, I'll put it up in the cards, but thank you to Jessica Simpson's team for sending these over. Pretty cool that she is coming out with her own brush line. I know that they said that there's more to come from the brand, so there will be hopefully cosmetics. That would be really cool as well. Getting into this next package here, I am not sure who this is from, so let's see. Ooh, this is from Wonder Beauty. Go Ahead and Glow. Glow Ahead Face Oil. Oh, look at how cute. Look at the packaging on this. Look at how they sent it. Oh, that's so cool. So it's like in like potpourri. Has like a clear case. I don't even want to open this because that's so cool. Let me get some scissors so I can open this. Okay, so of course my desk is a mess, so I use like tweezers to try and get it open. I don't want to move this all around too much because it smells good. I want to take a picture because I think that's super cute. So let me just try and slide it out of here. Okay, all right, so this is the Glow Ahead Face Oil. Let me wipe off the potpourri. The packaging on this looks cool. It's like an ombre packaging. And let's go ahead and see. It doesn't smell, but I don't know why I would smell it. But here's what it looks like. So it's just going to be like a face oil. And it's going to give us glowy skin, which is always amazing. So let me put it on and see. Feels like it's going to be really hydrating. So you do have a slight glow to the skin. This is going to be really cool. I love face oils. I love using them before my foundation. I love mixing them with foundation, especially like in the wintertime when I'm drier. I definitely love some good face oils. And this was a really cute package. So thank you to the team at Wonder Beauty for sending that over to me. The next package I have came over from Lashfully Yours. She is seriously, you guys, the sweetest person. I have been wearing her lashes for a long time now. They're some of my absolute favorites. So she sent me over some more styles. So the first one I have is Jade. And I just love her packaging as well. I love that it's just like the magnetic case. It's super easy to store them. So here's what Jade looks like. She also sent over Kaylee. And here is Kaylee. These are so pretty. I'm so excited about these. And then this one has me so excited. So she came out with new lash books. I know she was low stock on these, so I'm not sure if they're still available. I'll link her website down below. I really recommend her lashes. I do have a coupon code with her if you want to use it. It is Makeupmolly. It's not a commission-based code, but it is able to, I believe it saves you guys 15 or 20%. I can't remember exactly what, but I highly recommend her lashes. They're really high quality, and you can wear them so many different times. Like I have some of her lashes I've wore like 30 times. They're super good lashes. So here is what the lash book looks like. She's so cute, and put my picture and my name up there, but it does come with 4 different lash styles. Look at how pretty these are. I love this idea. I also love that it has the names here on this side. The packaging is super cute. This would be really good for travel. I feel like I'm definitely going to use this when I travel, because a lot of times, you know, it's kind of hard to take so many different boxes like this. I like the idea of something compact like this that you can fit 4 lashes in. So this is super cute, and I love the styles in here. Seriously, so pretty. A lot of her lashes are very dramatic without being too dramatic, which is what I love. So definitely check out her lashes if you haven't already. Lashfully Yours, highly recommend them. Moving right along, the next box I have is from Rimmel London. I have been obsessed with this mascara. This is their Wonderfully Real mascara. They sent me to this in their last PR package that they sent me, and I use it every single day. It's such a good mascara. It's amazing. Like, I think this is my new favorite. It definitely is duping all my high-end mascaras for sure, and I really enjoy it. So they sent over a Summer Street Beauty, so it looks like some summer products. So the first thing in here is this Insta Duo Contour Stick. This one is in medium. I do own this, and I really like it. Also in here, there is an eye definer, so an eye gel pencil. And this has me really excited. So this is the Stay Matte Mattifying Loose Powder. I love this. So this one is in Transparent 001. I'm going to definitely try this out. I love finding new powders from the drugstore that are affordable. Also in here, there is quite a few mascaras, which has me excited because I love that one so much. I'm excited to try out some different ones. So we have the Scandalous Eyes Mascara, as well as the Scandalous Eyes Curve Mascara, and then the Retro Glam. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these, but after trying that one, I don't think I've tried a Rimmel one before that. I probably have like way back in the day, but it's been a while, and I'm like obsessed with that. And then also in here, there is the Stay Matte Makeup Primer, which is awesome. Definitely love that in the summertime. And then one of their Provoca lips. This is a kiss-proof lip color, and I really enjoy the formula of this. It's very long-lasting. This one is in the shade Boy I'm Crushin', which looks like it's gonna be like a pink shade. Let me go ahead and swatch it for you guys so you can see. The one side has like a base or like a gloss to it, and then the one side has the color. So here's what the color is going to look like. That looks really pretty. And like I said, I definitely love the formula of this. So this is a lot of products from them. I'm so excited to have more mascaras. I'm trying not to open too many lately because I feel like I've just been opening so many that I have too many open, and you guys know mascara goes bad. So I'm not going to open those until I finish a few that I do have, but definitely looking forward to trying out some more mascaras from them. Definitely excited about this package. So the next box I'm going to get into here came over from OCTOLY, and I think I know exactly what this is, and I'm so excited about this, you guys. So this is from, this is from Clarisonic, and they sent over a Clarisonic Mia 2. I'm so pumped. So let me pull it out. Here is what it looks like, you guys. I've been wanting one of these for so long, and I saw it pop up on my OCTOLY store, and I got so excited. So this is the Mia 2, which is a 2-speed facial gentle sonic cleansing. So this is like something that you can use to exfoliate your skin. And then also in here, there is the foundation brush, so you can actually use it to apply your foundation. I've heard so many great reviews on the Clarisonics in general, and I know that they are a bit pricier, which is why I haven't really purchased one. I know I've always had it on my wish list at Sephora, and it's definitely been always something that every like VIB sale and every sale I'm like, should I get it? Should I get it? And I always end up talking myself out of it. So I was so excited to see them pop up in there and see that I was able to get this to review for you guys. So let me know if you guys have tried it out. Like I said, I know so many people that love it, and it's cool to have the foundation brush as well. And I think that there are quite a few heads in this one, like in the set. So really excited about this. Thank you so much to OCTOLY and Clarisonic. If you guys do not know what OCTOLY is, it is basically a site where you can sign up to review different items from different companies and share your reviews on your Instagram or your YouTube. I'll have it linked down below if you guys want to sign up for it. So the next package I got, I just pulled out of the box. This came over from Japonesque, and I've never gotten a package from them before, so this was really exciting to get. And it looks like we have some new lip products. This is so cool. The box looks really fun, so let me open it up. These are their brand new Kissed by Kumadori. I hope I'm saying that right. Japonesque Kumadori lipsticks with Camellia oil offers potent hydration and anti-aging benefits for soft, supple lips all day with a beautiful range of culture shades and creamy, bold, long-lasting color you can layer. Ombre, or you can go solo to create unlimited looks you and your lips will love. These are available at Ulta Beauty. Ah, how cool. So it has a second layer. On the bottom we have some retractable lip brushes and an all over lip brush with a cap. And then let's see what this is. This little case. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, cool. So if I want to depot the lipsticks and have them all in one palette, it is a palette for that. That's pretty cool. I've actually never done that before, but I've always wanted to, so that's awesome. All right, so let me pull out some of these lip colors so we can swatch them. Here is what the bullet looks like. They do have a magnetic cap, which is nice, so they feel nice and heavy. So this is the first shade here. Ooh, these feel really creamy. Look at how pretty that color is. The next one I have is a pretty nude. This one is in Silk. These feel so creamy, they're gonna be nice. They kind of remind me of the formula of the Urban Decay Vice lipsticks. That's how they kind of feel when I swatch them. I'm so excited, so let's keep going. All right, so I went ahead and I swatched all of the colors. Look at those reds, the berries. These look so pretty, and as I swatch them, they feel amazing. They're gonna be really, really good on the lips, really hydrating, and I'm so excited about these, and I'm really excited to get a package from Japonesque. That is so exciting, so huge thank you to the team at Japonesque for sending these over to me. All right, so next I wanna share with you guys a box that I did get from Dermalogica, and I got this box, I believe 3 weeks ago now. I've been using these products and only these products on my skin for about 3 weeks now. So they actually set up a FaceTime with me where we talked about the skin concerns that I did have. They talked about things that they thought would help me, and they actually sent me all the products that they thought would help me with my different skin needs and my different skin concerns. So the first thing they sent over was the pre-cleanse, and this is something that I have tried before, so this is something that's going to help remove your makeup. The next thing she recommended I use is the Daily Microfoliant. This is something I've been using for about a year now, and I use it every single day. It is really nice because it is a gentle exfoliant that isn't going to be too harsh on your skin, so it's nice because you can use it every single day. This has been one of my favorite products, so I was excited when she said you should be using that. And then also something that I've taken out of the package, a few of these don't have the products in them because they're on my bathroom sink, but they sent over Antioxidant Hydro Mist. I've been loving using this. It's just a mist that you can apply just right when you wake up, and I've also been applying it at night. And then also we have the Skin Smoothing Cream. This is a night cream that she has me applying. And then I know it's weird I'm opening empty boxes, but I just want to explain to you guys the products I've been using. Also the Special Cleansing Gel. This is a second cleanser that I've been going in with after the pre-cleanse. And then I also have the Oil-Free Matte SPF. One thing that she did tell me that I wasn't doing is applying SPF during the day. I'm so bad at that, and she's like, you need to be doing it. So she went ahead and did that. I've been using that every single day. Also the Multivitamin Power Firming Eye Gel. This has been really good, and I have noticed a difference in my under eye since I've been using it. They seem a lot more awake. They don't have as many bags as I normally do, and also it's helped a little bit with my fine lines, which is amazing. And then we also have the Ultra Calming Cleanser. This is a cleanser that I've been using every single morning. And then the last two products that they sent over that I've been using is the Stress Positive Eye Lift. She says to use this in the morning, before you start your day, or also just if you need a pick-me-up throughout the day, and that's been really nice. It has a ball on it, so it's really nice and feels really cooling on your under eye. And then the last product that they did send with the rest of the stuff is this Biolumin C Serum. This is a brightening C Serum. This is supposed to help with anti-aging, and I've been enjoying using it. So definitely loving all of these products that I've been using from them. I will say that there's a few products that I do want to kind of start to integrate into my skincare routine. Like there's a few products that I know that I do really love and that I will continue to use, but then there's a few that I feel like I want to trade out with a few other products. So once I have like my set nighttime routine down that I absolutely love, I'll definitely come on and let you guys know like what my full nighttime routine is. I know I do get asked that a lot, but I just want to share with you guys the products that they did send over to me. That was really generous of them to have that consultation with me, and I feel like it also gave me a lot more understanding to my skin and what my skin needs and everything like that. So after that, that is going to do it for this week's PR unboxing and haul. I hope you guys did enjoy seeing some of the packages I received this week. A big thank you to all of the brands that did send over these incredible packages this week. I really appreciate it, and I'm so excited to try out all of these new goodies. Of course, huge thank you to you guys for making these videos possible for me, for continuing to love them, for continuing to watch them. I truly appreciate it, and I really appreciate you. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy these PR hauls, and I will see you guys in Monday's video. Bye, friends.